What's up guys, G here, and today I'm going to go over installing some new handlebars and a stem. Purchasing handlebars can be quite the task, as there are hundreds of different options you can choose from. So to make it simple, I knew I wanted bars that had a 40mm rise, a non-black color to add some character to my bike, and I wanted it to be reliable so I could carry it over to future bike builds. At just under $100, I went with these riser bars from Renthal Fatbar. These bars tout to be a multiple world championship winning product, designed and developed to offer the ultimate combination of lightness, strength, and durability. At least that's what the packaging says. At first glance, these bars look amazing. It has a nice shade of gold with a matte finish, and these permanent graphics. A laser etched positioning grid for an easy setup, and width marks to personalize your fit. Overall, it just has a nice high quality finish to it. With that being said, let's get started. Given that these bars come in at 800mm, we're going to have to modify them and cut them down to a more manageable 780mm length. We'll use some old grips and a hacksaw with a blade to cut metal. This can be done much more easily with a vice clamp and pipe cutter, but I want to show you guys that it can be done with minimal tools. The key here is to take your time and be patient with it. Then use a metal file to remove any sharp edges. As you can see, with patience, you can achieve some decent results. Now apply that to the other side. So the new stem that I'll be using for this setup is this 40mm Enduro stem made by Brandx, the same company that's made my extremely reliable dropper post. For $26, this stem has a nice matte finish with minimal branding and an overall excellent build quality. So before installing the new components, first we're going to align and install them together. It's a good idea to install each bolt by hand as to not strip any threads. Any adjustments can easily be made once these are installed onto the bike. Now it's time to strip the old bars from grips, shifters, and brakes. Next, we'll remove the top cap and loosen the bolts to remove the old stem and bars. At this point, it's a good idea to remove any dirt and grime before installing your brand new parts. Now that we have the new bars installed, you can now align and adjust your steering to your wheel. Next, reinstall the rest of your cockpit and tighten them just enough so you can adjust them later. Now that we have everything installed, you can adjust the spacing and angles to your brakes and shifters. This will be user preference depending on your riding style and comfort. Personally, I like to have my brakes and shifters far enough away from the grips so that while riding, rather than moving my hands, all I need to do is just shift my fingers to activate them. Once everything's adjusted, be sure to check every bolt and make sure everything's properly torqued. And there you have it, a basic install and how I set up my handlebars and stem. I can't wait to try these out on the trails and provide some proper feedback. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions regarding these handlebars and stem, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, support the channel by subscribing, and as always, get outside, ride some trails, and have a great day.